Hello everyone, my name is Preeti Pavati and I'm a self-taught artist. I have been painting for as long as I can remember. I mostly work with acrylic, but I like working with oil paints too. I love embracing the unknown, which is why a lot of what I create is abstract art. But like reality has two sides to a coin, I too embrace the art of figures and portraits. As the member of the female community, I choose to use my art to depict the struggle of womankind in a light-hearted and colorful manner, using my paintbrush and various types of paints as my art, as tools of abstract expression. Apart from this, my art speaks using modernism as its main approach. That is to say, in my surrealism lies a very blatant and yet masked realism, just as all the great painters would have it. I consider myself well learned, yet still learning through my experimentation with landscapes, portraits, the abstract, nature, and literally anything else that seems to catch my eyes that are so full of hunger for the beautiful. I choose to travel through my roots of spirituality and have attained a form of nirvana in my art, going back to the very simple basics in what creates such complex works, and in that I find my peace. I have known Mr. Kamakar Datta as long as more than 4 years and have been having conversations on any topic under the sun and have been a great admirer of his knowledge. Today, I would like to thank Mr. Datta for including me in this movement, but mostly for writing about a topic as complex as the pricing of art. It's a topic I hold dear to me, and I'm sure every other artist does too. It's a very layered topic in that it's just so hard to price art. All art truly is priceless. So, in writing this, Dr. Datta has given all artists a platform and also a clear manuscript of how to go about pricing the priceless. It's an honor to be represented as an artist, since the stereotype of struggling artists is very rampant, especially in today's world, where everything has to have a price. The way I see it, art is priced based on how much the artist puts into it. Materials, time, energy, effort, and above all, love. Because every piece of art contains a tiny part, of the artist's soul. It's an intellectual dilemma to be able to price something so emotional. And Dr. Datta has managed to throw a curveball to this dilemma and make a great grounding for pricing art. Thank you, Mr. Datta, and I wish you all the luck in the universe for this magical book you have released on the eve of 2021. What a brilliant way to start this new year. Thank you very much.